Rohan's mother is 26 older than him. The product of their ages in years, 3 years from now will be 360. Now let Rohan's age be X years. His mother is 26 years older than him. Older means Rohan's mother's age is X plus 26. The product of their ages 3 years from now is 360. Now product of their ages. Product means multiplication. He is saying that the product of their ages 3 years from now. No, now means at present after 3 years. So after 3 years, what will be their age? Rohan's age will be X plus 3. And his mother's age after 3 years will be X plus 26 plus 3 will be X plus 29. So product means the multiplication of both the brackets. It is 360. So how to open these brackets? X into X, that is X square. X into 29, 29X. X into 3, that is 3X. And 3 into 29, 87, it is equal to 360. Now, how to compile the like terms? X square 29 plus 3, 32x plus 87 minus 360, it is equal to 0. Simplify it and then solve this equation by the middle term splitting method. You will get the required age of Rohan. If you will get any value of X in negative, then you reject that because the age cannot be in negative terms. So you have to take, but I am repeating this question. Let Rohan's age be X. Rohan's mother's age will X plus 26 because he is saying she is elder. Obviously mother is elder than son. Now after 3 years, 3 years is added to Rohan's age. 3 years will be added to mother's age. So the product of their ages will be this. And you will get the required quadratic equation. After this, you solve by the factorization, and this is your homework, how to calculate this by splitting the middle terms method. Is that clear, students? Now question number 4. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers. Now this is one of the most important questions of this chapter. Usually this comes in paper. Like a train travels at a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more. Before explaining this question, I want to explain you one concept related to this question which we are going to use in this question. That is, now just tell me which is bigger. Obviously 5 is bigger than 2. Now if I reciprocate these two terms, now which is more? This is half is more. How? If I correlate with one practical example, one pizza is divided into 2 pieces and one pizza is divided into 5 pieces. Obviously the divided into 2 pieces that are more or bigger in size as compared to if I divide the same pizza in 5 pieces. So the numbers when we are taking in numerator, this is bigger, but when I reciprocate, the relationship becomes inverse. This becomes bigger and this becomes smaller. Now how this concept I am going to use in this question. Like a train travels a distance of 480 km. This is question number 4. Distance is 480 km. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less from the initial speed, let initial speed be X km per hour. The units, it is very important to write the units in this question, in every question. Now the speed decreased. That is X minus 8 km per hour. Now it would have have taken 3 hours more. Time will be 3 hours. If I am going at this speed and if my speed decreased, I would have taken 3 hours more complete the journey. Okay. Now, what about this question? This question is main focused on time. What is the formula of time? Distance over speed. Now, this concept, please see carefully. Distance is 480 km. I am going from station A to station B, or I am returning, the distance remains the same. Now, there are two speeds. As I have told you that 5 is more than 2, but when I reciprocate, then 1 over 2 is more than 1 over 5. So, which will be bigger? When in the reciprocate form, which is bigger? X minus 8. I am going with this speed. When I am going from station A to B, I am returning with the different speeds. The gap will be of 3 hours. So ultimately, this is the formula of time. Distance over speed, time. This is also time. So how to solve this equation? You can't do cross multiplication here because as there is a negative sign. So you will take the LCM. X minus 8, you have cancelled. What is left? 480 minus x into x cancelled. 480 into x minus 8. It is equal to 3. Now, these two terms will go there, and there is a negative sign outside the bracket. If there is negative sign, you will change all the signs inside the bracket. 480 into 8. It is equal to 3 into x square, x into 8, 8x. So 480x will be cancelled. You are left with 3x square minus 8x. It is equal to 3840. Now how to open this 3x square minus, I got this equation. Now this is again a quadratic equation. How to solve this? By splitting the middle term method. This is your homework, students. How to solve all the equations, all the statements of this exercise, you have to solve by the splitting the middle term method, and you can ask me your queries anytime. Thank you, students.